just purchased property here in Madison Heights. Ross, what can you tell us about your experience with the Fiesta Morpher guys, and overall your thoughts on the process? And
Well, everything seemed to go well from the time we met to now. It's been, I think, less than a couple weeks. So, yeah, it's been a pretty smooth process.
okay, great. And any final thoughts on closing itself or how everything went?
Yeah, just so far so good. So we were happy with everything that's been done so far. Everything that you said has been the case.
Okay, great. And thank you very much. We appreciate you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks.